Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule auto power on and power off on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To schedule auto power on and power off, simply click on the settings button on your remote and go to all settings. Now you can go to system, then go to power and energy. Go all the way down to timer, and now you'll have power on time type and power off time type. First, those need to be enabled, and you can set just one or two, both of those, either just power on, just power off, or both power on and power off, and those can be set to either on or once. Once will mean that it will just be applied once and will turn itself back off. And when it's set to on, then it'll be scheduled for every day. So let's set it to on, for example, and set auto power on time. Now you can set the hour. Let's set it to like 2, and then go to the right, change the minutes. You can go to the right to also change AM or PM. And now let's click on the OK button. You can see I scheduled the power on time to 2:30 p.m. Then power off time type, let's also set it to on, and let's set it to like 10. Okay, let's try again. Let's schedule it to 10:30 p.m. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.